Hi everyone, welcome to Shuddhi Therapy. My name is Shikha Rodrigues. Shuddhi Therapy is a handcrafted therapy which is co-created by me and my husband Richard, and we make Shuddhi Therapy at Shiva's Abode, which is the Temple of Transformation. Shuddhi Therapy is a therapy which is based on the principle of purification for us to feel divine and look divine. So it comprises of two primary products. The first is the holy oil. The holy oil purifies to heal, which means that it heals anything that you intend healing with it. We have already had proof of the holy oil healing any kind of joint, muscular, nerve aches or pains, cold, congestion, migraine, acidity, sinus, psoriasis, piles, and so on and so forth. So the holy oil works with topical application for you to heal specific ailments in the body. It also works very well as a beauty regime when you apply it on your face and body, just like a night lotion before going to sleep. What it does is it rejuvenates and repairs the cells of your body for you to feel divine. Then the second product that we have is the Shuddhi Holy Skincare. Now the Holy Skincare purifies to beautify by providing all the benefits of intensive skincare with just one product. So this product is like a paste. You apply it when you go for your bath. While going for your bath, you wet your face and body, and you use this in place of your soap. So some people apply it on the whole body, some people apply it only on the face and some parts of the body. After you apply it, you leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and then you rinse it off well with water and pat dry. What you will notice is that just with that one regime, you get the benefits of cleansing, toning, exfoliation, moisturizing and protection. Which means all these benefits just come from this one product. There is no need for you to use anything else. And besides that, it also beautifies any kind of skin problems like pigmentation, acne, marks, patches, spots, blemishes, dull and uneven skin tone. With your first bath itself, you will come out having flawless, glowing skin. So the Shuddhi Holy Skincare helps you look divine and the Shuddhi Holy Oil helps you to feel divine. Our products work on the principle of purification, so they do healing and beauty while purifying the impurities within. Recently we've come up with a product which is an aid to our Holy Skincare, which is the Shuddhi Holy Skincare Bar. This works fantastically for people who have oily skin. So since our skincare happens to have oil in it, after you apply it, you may feel a little oily on your skin. For all those people, after they apply the skincare, if they rinse with the Shuddhi Holy Skincare Bar, then they feel that excessive oil goes away while they also retain all the benefits of skincare from the product. And it's also great for people who don't use the skincare on their body, but they just use it on the face. Then those people also love to use this on their body because this is the same formula as our Holy Skincare. So we ask you to try Shuddhi Therapy once. It's showing magical results. It works with intention. So intent the beauty and the healing benefits that you desire from Shuddhi Therapy, and they shall be yours. Thank you so much.